Okay, so let's talk about IPL. Shomendo, you share your views on this.
So IPL or Indian Premier League, which is a cricket league which happens every year during this time, I mean April. So this is actually 10 teams from across the country play for the IPL trophy. Actually, they play each other, and top four teams they play for playoffs and then final, and there's one winner. And so though it's a cricket league, but it's a little bit different because it's not like other cricket leagues happening all over the world. It's a little bit more entertaining because from the player selection point. So here the one thing happens which is auction. Like there's a player and all the teams can auction for the player, and whichever teams pays the highest gets the player. And so this is one thing that makes it more entertaining because we see that what happens in other sports that like player like player, if the one player has many offers from different clubs, so he gets to choose that which club he wants to go. But here player doesn't choose. Here clubs choose that I want to take this player or not. So this is one thing, and this happens 5-6 months before the IPL starts. So that is also telecasted on like OTTs and TV platforms. So people also watch that. And about the IPL, that why it is so entertaining, because it's not like ODI cricket which happens for like all day. It's 50 plus 50, 100 overs, not like that. It's 20 plus 20. So it's for 40 overs. So people can easily work in the morning, and after finishing work in the evening they can watch IPL. So like the timing is okay for Indian viewers. And another thing that world class players are playing here. So we get to see the quality. And another thing is that like this is also helping local players to get a platform, because before IPL for local players there was only one platform to play for the state teams and like get selected for the national team. But for the for this IPL, many local players are getting chance, and their performance people are watching on TV. People are getting people get to know about them, and they also get brand deals. And we have seen that many players that their financial condition was not good before playing IPL, but after playing IPL, their life has changed. So this is a good thing. And overall, that people are actually liking this competition. People are watching it, enjoy it. So this is also good.
Do you have any favorite team or a player in IPL particularly?
Uh, Actually, I'm not a big fan of IPL, but as my home team like KKR or Kolkata Knight Riders, they are also playing. So I support them. So I want them to win. And this season they are also playing well. They have won few matches, and like there was a outstanding performance by a player called Rinku Singh. As I was saying that he's like a local player from UP, and like he scored 5 sixes in last over to win the match. So that was a like great match, and people really enjoyed it.
All right. Thank you, Shomendo, for your views on IPL.